Annyeonghaseyo, Maxine.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good afternoon. Tog lagi ka nanday?
Wala.
Wala. Bantay ra ka sa manghod? Wala.
Hindi nagsalita.
Nagtanaw ra ka sa salida.
Nasa cellphone yung mga pinamilod.
So, I'm here to deliver the ice cream. Okay. It is 50 pieces of ice cream worth of 20 pesos each. So, for the total of 1,000 pesos, ha? Okay na. Yeah, so, lang na parehog sa ref, inday, ha? Yeah. Okay, and that is from Ichangunim.
Ichangunim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, palihog sud sa ref, inday. So, daghan pa di ay?
Terus nung mga oras din. Ano to mga ate, sige ang bupubuan.
Terima kasih Kunday, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kizel, Samantha, Eliza, and Junlin.
Annyeonghaseyo, Kuya Rex.
Good afternoon. Mana mo pangawon Inday? Wala pa. Sudan. Na. So sakto pod gyud ako i-delivery. I am here to deliver chooks to go for Kizel. Please take one, Inday. Usa lang. Then also for Samantha, one chooks to go. And for Liza, you have 2 chooks to go. Please kuha, Inday. 2. Duha na na? Okay. And also for Junlin, 2 packs of chooks to go. Okay. Kira? And that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Uncle Kim Sarangnim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay.
Chooks to go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. My uncle, which is Jonap's father, is very shy in front of the camera. Also, his siblings. So that is why, on behalf of his family, as his cousin, I am here to explain why Janap is absent on the study room. So why Janap is always absent in the study room. So Janap is very addict in computer games because of his peers, close friends that is already addicted in computer games. They always play computers from morning to evening, or you don't usually want to eat because of always playing computers. We already lectured him. We already forbidden him to go to computer shops, but he is so permanent to go to. That is why he didn't manage his time well. He didn't manage to go to the study room because he already forgotten that he has a class. He has a class to attend to because of always playing computers.